magandang araw sa lahat. My name is Teng Isa and I'm from Crazy Mods, Philippines. Today, we're gonna talk about price matching. First off, let us understand what price matching is. Technically, price matching is a strategy used by retailers to match the prices of competitors' products if a customer finds it for a cheaper price elsewhere. Alright? Now, let us explain kung ano ba tong tinatawag natin na price matching. Let's just say may Jollibee, may McDonald's. Ang pricing ng sorry about that. Ang pricing ng chicken nila, I think, is around 75 pesos. Same for McDonald's. I'm not really sure with regards sa pricing, pero definitely magkatabi sila. That's the main reason kung bakit pag may nakita kayong Jollibee, may makikita kayong McDonald's. Sa mga ganitong specialty service, you cannot just opt for a price matching. Why is that? First off, you have to understand a lot of things. You have to understand, syempre, credentials, years of establishment, technically, longevity, price range, warranty. You have to consider a lot of things. Hindi lang pwede yung pricing. First off, let us give you I think this would be the best example with regards to this matter. I think Pares Retiro was established way back 1989. Not really sure, correct me if I'm wrong, pero I think this would be the best example for this one. While Diwata Pares was created, I think, 2024, hindi ko siya kilala until, noong 2023. So, most probably, 2024 siya nag-start. Let us compare, syempre, the prices itself. Ang Pares sa Pares Retiro, I think, starts at around 240 or 260. While Diwata Pares, I think, costs around 100, 120. I'm not really sure. Di pa ako nakakakain dyan. Let's talk about, syempre, years of the establishment itself. 1989, kaedad ko yan. I think, 35 years old na yan. Iko-compare mo sa 1-year-old business. That's insulting. Pricing, definitely, mas mataas si Pares Retiro. Why is that? You have to understand the quality behind the product itself. Not really sure if they are open for franchise, pero kung if they are open for franchise, then definitely, everything is pretty much regulated. You cannot just compare the price between the two. Because why is that? They serve their own. Again, they serve their own market. Tignan nyo po kung yung mga kumakain sa Retiro or Pares Retiro is kumakain din dito sa Diwata. Tignan naman natin kung itong Diwata ng mga fans is kumakain dito sa kabila. Alright. Now, let us, syempre, talk about automotive lighting industry. Right? Let's just call this competition A, competition B, and syempre, Crazy Mods. We're gonna use 3 different companies. Si A and B, wala po akong, wala akong pinipinpoint dito, these are just technically hula. Alright? So first off, let's just say, ako yung customer. Ako si customer, mag-i-inquire ako kay A. Let's just call him A, B, and C, or A, B, and KM. Alright, tatanungin ko, or titignan ko, hindi ko na tatanong. Check to sa kanila, first off, me being a customer. First off, I'm gonna check kung anong taon sila nag-start. Let's just say si A is 2023. Ilalagay ko rin dito ang database ng ginagamit ko na, syempre, na example para hindi tayo magkalituhan. Competitor B was established way back 2021. While Crazy Mods or KM was established way back 2019, right? Years of operation, competitor A, since 2023 siya, only has 1 year. Competitor B, 2021, technically 3 years. While KM 2019 is almost 5. Technically 5 years na nga. Alright? So, malaki po ang difference dito sa years of operation or sa longevity of the company itself. Alright. So, let's get to the pricing. All right. Me being a customer, I'm gonna ask A, boss, how much is your base price? Let's just say si A gave the customer or me or offered me 10.5. All right, boss, 10.5 po tayo. All right, balikan kita Punta ko kay B. Alright, B, how much ang base price ninyo? Boss, 12.5. Alright. Punta ako kay KM. Boss, how much ang base price ninyo? 14.5. Alright. Balik uli ako ngayon. Base price is 10.5, 12.5, and 14.5. So, technically, these are the numbers na kailangan kong tignan. I'm gonna ask the warranty itself. Sige, hindi ko na itatanong yung lifespan. Warranty ang itatanong. A, gaano katagal ang warranty mo? 3. B, gaano katagal ang warranty mo? 3. KM, gaano katagal ang warranty mo? 3 years. Alright, let me give you a brief background about KM. KM started this offer which is yung 3-year warranty. Nung panahon namin ng 2020, 2019, 2021, lahat yan 2 years at the most. Nagbago lahat nung pumasok si KM. Why is that? Parang nagkaroon ng ayun na nga, yung mga nagsisunuran. Nagsisunuran sila kay KM. Not saying na kinokopya. Nagsisunuran sila para maging competitive ang warranty nila and ang pricing. Alright. Technically, parang nagkaroon ng economic sabotage that time. Kasi noong mga panahon na yan, napakataas ng presyo. As in, ng retro. Alright. So, KM offered 3 years way back 2021. We were the precedent of this kind of warranty. Alright. Now, next is, or yung pinaka-final kong tatanong, Boss A, credentials mo. Just say, 1 year pa lang sa industry eh. 200. Swerte na nga kung maka 200 yun eh. I mean, good luck. Competitor B. Boss B, you've been in the industry for 3 years. Gaano na karami ang nag-2,000? Let's just say 2,000. Bigay ni B. Alright, KM. Operational ka na way back 2019. Gaano karami ang nagawa ninyo? 7,500. Understand this number. Mas matagal si KM sa mga pilit ninyong mas matagal si KM. Secondly, mas maraming binuo si KM. As always, lahat tayo will look for credential. Unless, ang target ninyo is ma-install lang talaga based on your price. Lahat tayo, we're gonna look at the experience itself. Bakit ba pagka nag-a-apply ang tao sa isang trabaho, nilalapag niya ang kanyang credential, educational background, working experience, nilalapag yan mga yan. Kasi lagi nagbabago ang offer based on the experience itself. Same. Alright. To cut things short, summarize natin, competitor A has been operational since 2023. 1 year pa lang siya sa industry, knowing na 2024 ngayon. Base price is 10,500. Warranty is technically 3 years kopya. 3 years. Credentials is swerte na nga sa 200. 200 cars over 1 year. Difference nila ni competitor B is B 2021, which is almost or technically 3 years in the industry, offering 12,500 for their base price. Alright, warranty is technically 3 years then. Credentials nila is 2K. Alright, ang difference ni A versus B is mas mataas si B ng 2K. Diba? 10,500 yung isa, while 12,500 tong si B. Pero ang difference ni B versus A is 1,800 cars. 200 versus 2,000. That's only 10%. Calculator natin. 2,000 times 10%. Hindi yan 5. Naka-mirror effect lang yan. That's 200. So I think may karapatan si B na mas mataas ang presyo. Mas mahaba ang experience niya. 3 years siya sa industry. 2,000 na ang binuo. Experience is pretty much everything. Now let us compare B to KM. KM has been in the industry since 2019. And syempre, we're already a 5-year-old medium-sized company. We cater to, or we house at least 20 employees. Ganun kalaki. We cater to multiple branches. Or we house multiple branches. Then, ang difference namin in terms of credentials, makikita nyo naman. 7,500. Alright. 7,500 minus 2K is technically 5,500. Mas mataas kami ng 5,500. Now, let us compute 2,000 divided by 7,500. Tignan natin ilang percent siya. Only 26. 27 technically. 27%. I think yung difference na yun is enough para magtaas ako ng 2,000 versus kay B. Understand these numbers. So, sa mga nagsasabi dyan or mga nag-i-inquire na, hindi, ito lang ang offer sa akin ni A, then good for you. Go for it. Diba? Our pricing, syempre, is based on our credentials, experience, product, after sale. It is not based on your budget. So, if hindi afford yung kay KM, then I suggest dun po sa mga iba niyong pinagtanungan. Ayun lang yun. No need na parang i-hostage nyo na dapat tapatan nyo yung presyo nito. Or else, dito ako magpapagawa pagka hindi nyo ginawa. Go! Hindi po namin ibababa ang price namin based, syempre, on that kind of inquiry. Kasi, those kind of customers, syempre, has this kind of circle. Meaning to say, kung ganyan yan, taong yan, most probably mga tao sa paligid niya ganyan. No, pass. Alright, so technically, I hope you understand a thing or two about price matching. Alright, so, bye-bye.